Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable numlock in Windows 11 and 10. Let's get started. Look for the numlock key on your keyboard, then press it to turn a numlock on or off. If you're using a laptop, you may need to press FN plus numlock. You'll usually see a small light indicator showing whether it's enabled. Next is to enable numlock at startup. Press Windows plus R, then tap regedit and press enter, then go to this path. Then double click essential keyboard indicator, then set the value to 2 to enable numlock at startup, then 0 to disable it. Then click OK and restart your PC. Now press Windows plus Control plus O to open the on-screen keyboard, then click numlock button to toggle it on or off. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.